Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out at this house. We did this house, or the concrete on this house, about 2017, and this is now end of 2024. And when we left it, it looked beautiful. Now what has happened in between the 2 years is probably it dirtied up within 2 or 3 years, and then he tried to clean it with himself, and at that point, the way it was cleaned, it didn't clean properly, and it dirties up differently at that point. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when kind of residential homeowner does it, or someone that doesn't have the chemicals experience or something, or whatever, the way it dirties up. Now this, I can tell exactly what was used. They used a wand. They did not use a surface cleaner. They used a wand, and you can see it in all the little stripes. They went this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, all throughout this. You can see where it's dirtier there than it is right here. It's a little clean. Now it's all dirty, but when it was cleaned, it looked perfect. But technically, this area, this little stripe right here, was dirtier when it was finished because there was no post treat or no proper cleaning with a surface cleaner than this. So this is dirty, but it's not as dirty as this. So it looks beautiful when it's finished, but it dirties up differently because this is going to attract dirt faster than this because the level of cleanliness is different. So that being said, we're going to get rid of all this. I'm going to use that surface cleaner, which keeps the jets and the tips the same distance throughout the entire concrete. I'm going to put a pre-treat on this to make sure all this mold and mildew disappears and dies and is gone. I'm going to use surface cleaner, and I'm going to do a post-treat. Now the only places I'm going to post-treat is this area right here, because that slab and the new slab over there, way over there, he's planning on painting with a color because he had his brick painted this beautiful green, and he's going to put some contrast so that that looks different. And so he's going to paint from there over, but not over here. So over here we'll stay. I will post treat this because I do not want to leave any soap residue, salt from bleach, or any residue or anything that would impair him being able to put a coat of paint or stain or whatever he's going to put on that concrete and get it to adhere. So this will be post treated. And the reason why I post treat is I cannot get below the surface, but my post treat can soak into the concrete, kill everything below the concrete. Then it'll turn to salts and soaps. When it rains, it'll rinse it off, and it'll look beautiful, and it'll clean up like brand new, and it will dirty up differently. This will never dirty up when I clean it like this. It will dirty up so evenly you won't even notice it. So that's what we're doing today. We're taking care of these folks and getting them back ready, prepping that and cleaning this. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.